Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I won't take too long guys. The reason why I'm making this video is just because I want to show you guys how simple it is, the strategy and the trading. Yeah, you don't need to look to get too complicated on this particular. Let me just open one more position. But now I'm gonna wait. Anyway, the trades for today, yeah, is very simple guys. You don't need to complicate too much. You see here support, break, came here to resistance, beautiful rejection candle, entered the trade, pull my stop loss at this previous high, straight to my TP is 195. It's pretty nice. This one I won't count as a break. This one I won't count as a break. This one I would count as a break. It's just because twice already kind of look at these candles, yeah, and look at this candle how strong it is. So I assuming here is momentum and I'm gonna wait for the retest. That's what happened here. Again with the retest, beautiful rejection, EMA is right here, and I took this trade on sell, put my stop loss right above here. But to be honest, I put actually my stop loss somewhere here, but I'm gonna keep an eye like on this area, or particularly on this area, because my stop loss is kind of right here. If it won't show me any sort of rejection, because sometimes it can spike up and hit my stop loss and then move back to the profit target. But to be honest, right here I would count as an invalid trade, just the fact that if for example comes here and hits my stop loss, am I gonna wait to come here to retest and then I'm gonna take buys? So do I here, yeah, if just in case it's gonna get somewhere closer to this place, yeah, because they were gonna take this high, this high, this high, and if it takes even this high, yeah, then I'm just gonna wait for the, for example, if it makes like that and comes here, oops, comes here back to retest this area, from here I'm gonna take buys. And that's my plan for every single each trade guys. You don't need to complicate too much, because look, support, look how many supports right here, break, now acting as the resistance, yeah, came back to retest, beautiful rejection, come back to the downside, straight to the profit, yeah, and then from here kind of bounced, kind of break, I enter a trade, but to be honest, you see for example right now it's kind of creating some high highs, breaking those highs, so it's kind of trying to go to the upside, yeah. And if it's gonna get here and will still start rejection, am I gonna close this position? But by the time I'm gonna still in the trade. So the trade, it looks like that. Sorry guys, I'm gonna enter here. So the trade looks like that. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick though. Trade looks like that, and I'm gonna wait to see how this trade is gonna develop, because it looks nice. I'm still waiting. You see beautiful bearish engulfing, so most likely it's gonna hit to the downside, but if not, then it is what it is. There's nothing more we can do about it, you feel me? So yeah guys, that's simple break and retest strategy and simple risk management. Keep an eye on risk management, because that's very important. So yeah guys, see you guys in the next video. I just don't want to take too long. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. I'm out.